Struggling with constipation or that uncomfortable bloated feeling? In this video, I'm revealing the top natural juices that work wonders as powerful home remedies for constipation. You'll learn which juices bring the fastest relief, how quickly they work, and whether they're safe to use daily. Stick around and say goodbye to discomfort once and for all. Welcome back to BTH Natural Remedies. If constipation and bloating are weighing you down, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best natural juices that act as powerful home remedies for constipation. I'll answer your top questions: which juices work best? How fast do they provide relief? And are they safe for daily use? Stick with me, and let's get you feeling light and refreshed in no time. Did you know that a few simple sips could be the secret to relieving constipation fast? Natural juices are packed with fiber, hydration, and essential nutrients that stimulate your digestive system. Unlike over-the-counter laxatives, these juices not only relieve constipation but also improve gut health in the long run. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which juices work best and why they're a game changer for bloating and constipation relief. Wondering which juices can help you say goodbye to discomfort and feel light again? Here are the top picks. Prune juice, a well-known remedy rich in sorbitol, which acts as a natural laxative. Aloe vera juice, soothes the digestive tract and promotes regular bowel movements. Lemon and ginger juice, provides a gentle cleansing effect and reduces bloating. Each of these juices works differently but effectively targets constipation. In just a moment, I'll explain how quickly you can expect results. How fast can you expect relief after drinking these juices? Let's break it down. Results vary depending on your body and the juice you choose, but many people experience relief within a few hours to a day. For example, prune juice typically works within 6 to 12 hours, while aloe vera juice can act even faster. The key is consistency. Drinking these juices daily or as needed can help you maintain regularity and prevent future constipation. Concerned about whether these remedies are safe to use every day? Let me ease your worries. Most of these juices, like prune and lemon juice, are perfectly safe for regular use in moderate amounts. However, it's important to listen to your body. Overdoing it can sometimes lead to diarrhea or cramping, especially with aloe vera. A glass or two a day is typically enough to keep your digestion in check without any issues. If you're unsure, start small and gradually increase your intake. Want to boost the effectiveness of these juices? Here's a bonus tip just for you. To maximize results, drink these juices on an empty stomach in the morning or before bed. Pair them with a fiber-rich diet and plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. By combining these tips, you'll notice even faster and longer-lasting relief from constipation. Ready to say goodbye to constipation and bloating for good? Now that you know the best natural remedies, it's time to put them into action. Let me know in the comments which juice you're excited to try first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BTH Natural Remedies for more powerful tips to improve your health naturally. See you in the next video.